Alright guys, this was a really good test as well. I am right now in the parking garage at SMU, the Southern Methodist University. And I'm very lucky because this is really close up and it was really loud. It's a Whelen WPS-2910. Seems like the Whelen Sirens are very loud. I came all the way, I went all the way from Frisco to here in about 40 minutes. I got here about 10 minutes before 1 p.m. And yeah, I've got it pretty much at eye level. I got it pretty much at the same height of the Siren. Alright, it started a little late compared to the other Sirens. I don't know why. Pretty cloudy out, and it's kind of dark out, so I'm just really surprised they did it. This Siren does not have a voice that says, this is a test. Seems like they just go off. They can though, but I don't think the city of University Park decides to do it for some reason. There's a short alert. Here it is from ground level. It's pretty tall, and I filmed it all the way from that opening in the parking garage to get as close as I can, which was really cool. All right, thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye.